There is still a version of you that believes the right moisturizer exists, not in a naive way. You are not expecting miracles. You have been through enough to know that no single product is going to transform your skin overnight. But somewhere underneath the skepticism, the belief is still there, that if you could just find the one that actually fits, the right texture, the right formula, the right combination of whatever your skin actually needs, things would stabilize. So you keep a quiet eye out. You read reviews differently than other people do. You notice when someone with a similar skin description says something worked for them. You file it away. And when your current product stops performing the way it did, or stops feeling like it is doing anything at all, you go back to looking. You are not impulsive about it. You are thoughtful. You research. You compare. You try to be smarter about it this time. And still nothing holds. The search feels rational. It feels like the correct response to a problem that has not been solved yet. But the search is not neutral. Every time you go back to looking, you are making an assumption that has never actually been tested. That the reason your skin has not settled is because you have not found the right product yet. That assumption drives the whole cycle. It is why the cycle keeps repeating. Here is what that assumption ignores. You have never actually confirmed that the products you tried did not work. You moved on from them. But moving on is not the same as confirming failure. To know whether a product works, you need a window long enough for your skin to stop adjusting to something new and start responding to something consistent. That window is longer than most people expect. And almost no one reaches it before doubt moves in and the search starts again. So the products get replaced, the search continues, and the skin stays unsettled. Not because the right product has not appeared yet, because the pattern of searching prevents any product from ever getting the chance to show you what it can do. The search is not the solution to the problem. The search is the mechanism that keeps the problem in place. Think about what finding the perfect moisturizer would actually require. It would require trying something long enough to know whether it works. Not a week, not 2 weeks. Long enough for your skin to move past the adjustment phase and reach something that resembles stability. That is a window most people estimate at 60 to 90 days of uninterrupted use. Most people have never done that. Not because they are impatient, because the search always feels more productive than waiting. When your skin has an unpredictable day, waiting feels passive. Searching feels like doing something. Comparing feels like progress. Switching feels like a decision made from evidence. But the evidence was never complete. The window was never finished. And the next product gets the same incomplete trial that the last one did. This is not a product problem. It is a window problem. And no amount of searching solves a window problem. Only time does. The perfect moisturizer is not a specific formula. It is any reasonable product used consistently long enough for your skin to stop reacting to change and start responding to constancy. That is the only version of perfect that actually produces a result. And the search, however careful, however well researched, is the thing standing between you and that result. When the search stops, something changes. Not in your skin immediately, in your relationship with the process. You stop evaluating. You stop comparing what today feels like against what yesterday felt like, and whether that means the product is or is not working. You stop holding the option open to switch. You give the window a chance to close without interruption. That is when skin gets the input it has been waiting for. Not a better product, a consistent one. And consistency over a long enough window is what produces the thing you have been searching for all along. Skin that feels predictable. Skin that does not surprise you. Skin that you stop thinking about because it has stopped demanding your attention. That outcome is not the result of finding the right product. It is the result of stopping the search long enough for any product to work. The search felt like progress, but it was the obstacle. And the moment you see it that way, the path forward becomes a lot simpler than you expected. Before you look at another review or compare another formula, There is one question worth answering first. Not about which product to try next. About how consistent you have actually been with anything you have already tried. That question is linked in the description. It takes 30 seconds. It will show you exactly where the window broke down. Answer it before the search starts again. The skin you are looking for does not require the perfect product. It requires the decision to stop looking long enough to find out what you already have is capable of. The search kept the problem alive. Ending it is where the answer begins.